It's day 2. I am almost ready. I'm ready to go have breakfast. Oh my god, it's really hot in here. Look at this beautiful view I woke up to just on my way to breakfast. It's so serene. I woke up to birds singing, to the sound of water. I actually slept so well because I slept to the sound of water. Now I'm just making my way to breakfast. Just packed everything. We're heading to the beach today. So I've carried like an outfit change, carried a little makeup, just did all of the packing, and now I am in need of coffee. I haven't had coffee since yesterday, like the entire flight, because the flight was at midnight, and then I woke up, I came, took a massage and slept. So there was no time for coffee, so I'm really looking forward to the coffee. I hope it's nice. I'll have one fruit platter.
One fruit platter.
Yeah, and one watermelon juice.
One watermelon juice.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you. One
Thank you so
watermelon
much.
juice.
Oh, I'm so excited to eat. Ma hello bolo amar vlog ke. Hello. আমি ব্রেকফাস্ট দেখাচ্ছি আমার।
সকালে মানে এটা খেতে হবে খালি পেটে, এটা খাওয়ার পরে কি খাচ্ছ তুমি? কি দিয়েছে? আলু আছে।
It's day 2 and we are going on our beach day. Say hi.
Hi, we're excited.
Very excited. We're going to Uluwatu today. I've never been. She has been. Dasha has been.
I loved it so much.
And we have Reva up front. Say hi. Hi. Thank you for suggesting the places. I think she's been as well.
We're so
And
excited.
yes. So I'm excited to look at the beaches. I've seen such nice pictures of everyone who's been to Bali, and it's literally ticking all my bucket list items. I've seen all of the aesthetic, those Pinteresty cafes and all are all in Uluwatu, right? So excited to do that. These guys are the best when it comes to Bali. They know so much and they've brought me to the cutest little cafe. You guys are too good. Like pros at it. Real BTS in here. Reva's taken one for the steam. Oh my god, this is so scary. Oh my god, I stopped talking for a few minutes. Yes, girl. Get it. Now we're shooting next to the beach. It's so beautiful in here. We're filming a transition reel. That's Disha doing her magic. Viva's done. Oh, there's finally some nice air. Did my makeup on the beach, like literally. It turned out very cute. I love the jelly stick that I used from Nykaa. And the lips Madras Kapi, also from Nykaa Cosmetics. And my base is completely milk makeup, and it's actually so good, like especially for when you're out in the heat like this and it's super humid. I'm wearing the skin tint, and I also have the Hydro Grip primer and the Hydro Grip setting spray, and honestly it's so nice. Even though my face is like super sweaty, I don't see that My skin is separating. Not my skin, like my makeup is not separating at all. And we also have our Nykaa. This is so cute. Looks so aesthetic in here. So pretty. We have literally been sitting here like influencers in the wild, like legit.
And we are going to the Bali swing.
I'm very excited. I have been there before,
Oh,
but I never did the whole like the photographer and with the outfit and everything. Have you guys done that?
no, I haven't. I'm so excited.
Yeah. And then we also have the rice terraces, which is like those hill slopes, right?
Yeah.
With like rice paddy. And then hopefully we make it to a waterfall as well. And then for the swing, we have a single, Libra, tandem band swing, adrenaline jumping and romantic mat swing. And then for the spot picture, this is our spot picture.
Do you hear that?
And then for
My
the side, we
sanity
have two
about
options,
to break
plus
while
and
everyone I know's out.
intersection, we had 30,000.
On a
Yeah.
trip, on a boat, on a
And
lake.
for the end,
I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here.
Oh my god, no.
There ain't no beauty in that, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender.
Dresses here. So these are all the dresses for 300k. So they're like all the flowy dresses. We are definitely. I actually really like my outfit today. It's so cute. Beautiful in here. Oh wow.
The sun still shines awful cold.
Stunning.
Some peace of mind. All the no fancy plans. A good day sitting in my hands. Happy is this happy does. It ain't about what you get. It's about how you love.
Tegalalang. Tegalalang. So we're here at the Tegalalang rice field. It's so nice. This is everything they have here. We've got the single swing and you can rent a dress. I think we are doing the family swing. So the three of us can sit together and the single swing. No, I don't want a dress.
No dress. So
No.
only free dress.
You want this one? Okay. Here. What color you want? Can I see, please? Look how stunning she looks. That color is stunning on you. I love the way they draped this. I really didn't think that the backless one would be for me because they were like, you need to open your bra. And I was like, no way. But it actually turned out really nice. I love the yellow. The staircase is here. It's really giving me a workout. Now I need to find my girls. Okay, I need to call them. The menu looks really nice. Yeah. Which coffee did you order? Oh my god, this matcha looks amazing. And so does the coffee. It's like what, 5 p.m., 6 6 p.m. so I don't want to drink coffee. It'll be very bad. I couldn't sleep last night. I think also because of the coffee we drank. It was so strong that I couldn't get any sleep. I got a mango matcha.
Isn't it amazing?
It was actually so good.
Isn't it?
I'm in like a coma. I am going to have to come back to Canggu just to have this matcha. It's so good. Ending the day at Osman Burger.
अभी आएगा बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइट है थोड़ा सा
I just showered and got ready. I had the nicest slow morning today. Today is day 3 and the last day for us. So I really took it slow. I was so excited to wake up without an alarm, without any agenda. We don't have to go anywhere. So I'm literally just in my villa. Look how nice it is today. It's so beautiful. I had the best time taking a shower here. Did my makeup as well. This is what I'm wearing today. This top is from Cider and the pants are Bershka.
Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes.
This is looking better with the top, and this was really hard with
Patron and a blender, baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated.
And lastly, I have this dress. It's also from Forever New, but I can't wear it myself. So I'm going to Reva's room holding it. If I let it go, literally it's going to be disastrous. So yeah, I'm vlogging in one hand, holding my dress on the other, and yeah, I need help with this dress. Reva, can you help me?
Yeah.
I'm vlogging this.
Listen, are you wearing this only for the pool shots?
No, but I need one shot of this in the pool with the makeup on. I wore it the other day. You guys saw I wore it on the first day, but I have to shoot like a campaign with it, so I'm wearing it again. It's so nice and sunny outside. This is the last outfit to also show in the outfit video. So once I'm done with that, I will be able to move my phone. I haven't moved my phone in a while. This dress looks so nice next to the green. I think I'm gonna take some more pictures. I'm done shooting. Now it's time for me to go shoot with everyone in the pool. Wait, let me show you some BTS. There they are. I also can't get over how pretty these roads are. They look so nice. So genuinely my makeup is looking so nice. I used that milk primer. It's so good.
Do like a shot with all 3 of your face. Join that now. Like it is just like a point.
Sadia asked everyone in my viewers to join now.
Hi, sign up on NAP today. If you have 5,000 plus followers, you need to join the Nykaa affiliate program.
Hydra Glow Tinted Sunscreen from K-Beauty with SPF 40. So we're setting up all of our nap merches on the bench, and then we're going to get some cute pictures and videos. I think they're also getting a drone, so there's going to be some nice drone shots.
Wherever we make it.
Are at Ubud Market. We're inside a store. It's so pretty here. They've got cute cutleries. I am so impressed. This is how they're found? Really?
So at the back, they've this is still shiny, but abhi inhone cover kiya. This is how it is. You open the rock, and from inside the quartz comes. Amethyst, everything. You see those big structures of amethyst?
Yeah. No, I think they're just all praying together.
Temple.
No, And the food is for. This is our spot for dinner. So nice. This is stunning! Oh my god! This is so nice! I love this part. She didn't give the sambar on the side. The chicken lettuce cups. Because the french fries. We're shooting another video. Today has been a productive content creation day. Like, I don't think I've ever shot this many videos. I'm going to link this reel down below. Please go watch it. I'm also very impressed with the airport. Like, I had such a good time at the duty free. It's so nice. I feel like I discover a stunning new corner each time I come back. Look at these waterfalls. Jump, 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 jump. There, aste. Jumpy, jumpy, jump. Ruby where is Ruby? Oh, don't touch the camera. You can touch the screen.